Well, it's been raining most of the day, but we do have to go out sometimes to go to the toilet. So we'll do that now. Now Jinx is learning to sit in order to have the crate door opened. Of course, she doesn't know what sit means, so all we do is we just wait patiently, calmly, until she sits down, and then that magically opens the crate door. Hello, darling. I'd like to come out. What's going to happen? How are you going to open the door? You're such a clever girl, aren't you? You can work it out. What do you have to do to open the door? Good girl. Good girl. Okay. There we go. That's the very first. Those early lessons. She's done it a few times now. Now we'll let everybody else out. And they're older, so they know to wait for release words. Badger free. Good boy. Very good. Maddy free. Good girl. Come on, everybody. Let's go out. Come on, off we go. Let's go out for wheeze before it rains again. It's going to be raining, so come on, off we go. That's it. Come on. Oh, good girl. Good Jinxie. Clever puppy. That was very good. Yes, good girl. There we go. Have a biscuit for that. Good girl. Very nice. Very clever. Good girl. There we go. Good girl. Come on, quick before it rains. Have a little run around in the garden before it starts to rain again. Now, I don't want her to fall off the deck, so we've got some puppy fence just to save any accidents. There we go. Garden's a bog because of all the rain, so we'll put some straw down to try and keep the mud under control. Good girl. So I'm very pleased with how the dogs have settled down. I can have them all running together, but only under close supervision. And they're separated when I'm not home or when I can't watch them. Okay, Maddy's still having a bit of a hard time accepting the little puppy. So what I'm doing is I'm feeding them together. She's not possessive about her food. So I'm feeding them very closely together with little treats. So that Maddy thinks that being close to the baby is a really, really good thing. So this will give her a good feeling about being near the little baby. And hopefully she can get to enjoy the baby's company a lot more. Because at the moment she's kind of hanging back a lot. I think she's frightened of the baby. Not sure really what's going on. And hopefully this will do the trick. Badger's very unhappy that the puppy is allowed out for a little while. And he's in his crate. So he's making a big fuss about it. Looking very, very sad. So making very annoying whiny noises. And now Badger's actually sitting there quietly. So I'm going to go over and give him some biscuits so that he gets rewarded for doing the right thing. And Badger gets some biscuits for being a good boy. Very good man. Very good boy. There we go.